Hey everyone, good everything, morning and evening and what else? PIP, where is it? Evening and afternoon and morning and night and everything else that you want. What's up? I hope all is good, and we are going to take a look today to see what's going on in the market. Yesterday we closed strongly to the upside. You can see I was in trade right here. Okay, so let's get into a little bit of explanation of what happened yesterday. Where is it? Okay, so I was short bias, and I was long bias. Sorry, I was long bias anyway. I was long bias, so I went long up here. I should not have got out here, but then I got out. I went short, then I closed the short by profit. You see, there's a signal short down here. This is a short signal. This is a short signal. The R4 stood very solid, and you can see how market behaved. But that's the point. Once this formed, I became long bias again. And then I started to go long, added, and then all the way up here. I closed all the way up here because this candle just dropped below this. And then I could have held all the way all to up here because for me, there's no reason to get out. But especially right up here when you can see, where is it? There you go. You can see that, yeah, when this happened, or right up here, there you go, right up here, market got out of this mess, right? It got out of this mess. So this is a mess, and then market got out, and then this formation for me was acceptable, and but I got out all the way up here. It was clear to go up, but I didn't stay in anyway. So today, what do we have? Let me first set all of my levels, and then we get into looking at the Qs and everything. 2290. Uh, 22. Yeah. Then we have 41811. Then we have 4850. Oh, sorry. And then 40376. Hold on. Anyway, good noise. Okay. So these are our today's levels, and yeah. So I'm going to get back this indicator that I removed yesterday on this chart. Insert indicators K. Where is the K? Custom. That's the K. Yeah, load. KT daily, no alerts. Not really. I did not want it any of the. Okay. There's a bug here. That is very strange. So I'm pretty sure all of the alerts are up for this. Anyway, so this is what we have. The next one will be month high in front of us. So we are done here with this. Okay, so here this is which it has been a very interesting day today for me. I've had the chance to have interesting conversation with interesting people, so happy from that side. And yeah, okay. So to show what's going on here, you can see we are in a clear uptrend. Market had a little bit of hiccup down here, the huge short volume, but this is not people are shorting. Most probably it could be people are selling at the top, and then these volumes could actually not be real, because those people that they sold here, they have to buy back. So all this, it could create a tsunami of buyers. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Today, let's look at yesterday. Yesterday we opened down here. Sorry, yesterday we opened up here. We had this, and then in this rally up, I made my money. And then I didn't trade the rest of the day. Today it's opening somehow below yesterday's close. You can see, if you put it on daily, it says that pre. You can see this is yesterday's close, and pre is underneath. Let's put it that way so it's fully visible. Let me put it actually in this way. Yeah. So this is what they have for Qs and SPY. So SPY is heavily upward, which indicates the market's general direction. We broke this huge resistance up here, forcing, you can see that how market was holding around 430, and then now we are moving to the upside, back into highs of before economy. Companies, not economy, companies are doing very well, big companies, especially big tech. And the boom based on the AI is the boom of 1979 again. Looks like my 1979, and I'm old enough to remember those days, and I'm old enough, I have been enough in the markets to remember how those days look like. And okay, so too bright. This is good. So what we are looking at is, I will put this 1.5 here. We have how much? We have 11 more minutes left, and we are doing well. And so what I like to happen, okay, what I like to happen today. Oh, Jesus. I need coffee. Gotta go refill. SPY. One thing that totally is missing now these days is level 2 and good spread. Because now I'm trading using MetaTrader on M Multibank Atlantic International, which is Mix Atlantic when I open the demo account. And they don't have commission, so it's fairly good. But the commission structure, but the spread structure is a little bit scary. I used to trade with 5 cent spread and it was too much. 5 to 10 cents a spread, but now I'm just trading with sometimes 60 cents. Jesus. What was the other one? $1 and $1.50. Ava. I think it was Ava. $1 ungodly 50 cents of a spread. Like, what are you doing, guys? I need to get some coffee. So one thing I wanted to do, actually go here, go Forex Peace Army or Forex Factory, either way, and check the news today. So today, based on today calendar schedule, at 4:30 my time, we will have a crude oil news, which is 11 a.m. And then at the end of the day, we'll have FOMC projection and rates. At 8:30, we will have FOMC conference, which would be this is gonna be a messy day. It's actually not bad not to trade today at all. I've just traded the early beginning of. We'll see that what market brings us, but it doesn't look like there are big players. And when there are no big players, market is messy. Yeah, yeah, you can see who's who and who's in the zoo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, actually, there's something missing here. Jesus. So that will be. I will use this one when I'm going to trade. Those old good days. I used to have when I was trading with Das. I used to have all sort of stuff going on, and there were times when I was trading with David. When we were trading, when we were making profit. Jesus, it was funny. Okay, so I'm just gonna go grab a cup of coffee, and we'll come back. And until then, you can look at this. Actually, let me copy this thing and also put it here. Yes. Well back. We have a hammer. On S4. I don't like this hammer, to be frank. Qs are dropping, heavily dropping, and we have this indecisive candle on Nvidia. It could push up, but I don't like. There's no. I cannot read this yet. Look at this. Look how clear this thing is, right? Look at this. These two are very nice. And there was another one. These two, both of these, the line was here. The line, the S4, I think S4, it was here. No, R4, it was up here. And you can see how market reacted, right? Look at these two. It should be that beautiful. Look at the volume. Inconsistency, inconsistency, volume. And anomaly up here. Highest volume with a small portion of body. That is something I'm looking into. And let me set some alerts. First of all, remove all alerts that I have. No. You are just to be down here. And now. All right. So if this hammer persists and it keeps the price intact, meaning that if market fails to come down here and stays in for another 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then starts to break up, I will still consider this hammer in force. So there is a little bit of issue with yesterday's high, but I'm not worried about that. The Qs, you can see down here. Actually, show this. You can see down here, Qs are dropping, are crashing. Actually, I should say. Better to be seen like this. And my trade is up here. I'm here. Hello. So, and then SPY. This is so slow. Something is eating up all of my RAM and all of my processing power. 100% of the CPU is busy for what? Geez, 50% OBS. I guess there's a bug or something in this thing because it never was like this. This is a good system. It should not be this weak. Okay, so SPY is giving us a hammer, and Qs are sitting right on S4, S3. Sorry. So we could have a little bit of bounce to the upside from here, and I'm looking into buy from here to up here is 35 cents. 100 would be okay. Maybe I give it a pass. Yeah. And the break of HOD I will add, which I already added. And now market is pushing to the upside. So my stop is basically down here below VWAP, which is 17 cents. I'm already 20 cents in profit. And I'm going to take the average is right up here. So let's see what happens with the with this trade. My real size was 500. I just went in 100, which was a mistake. Here added 500 and then 100 up there. So it still does a good job though. It's still not a problem. I'm seeing a very bullish trend to the upside, and I just need to get rid of this trade. No, actually, no. Need to mitigate my risk and just wait for the break of HOD. We have 3 more minutes, which is a good sign, and we are in the right direction. The push to the downside is finished, and we just wait now for a push to the upside. Spread is nasty. So I'm out of that position. $10 is just nothing. It's just I wanted to reduce my pressure, but later on when I'm in bigger profits, I will be able to add. Actually, right now, this trade itself down here is 31 cents. The only thing I can do is to reduce some size from this few hundred and wait for the break of HOD, a pullback, and then going back in again, because this doesn't look like it has enough juice in it to push to the upside. And yesterday's high is actually bothering me. It doesn't let the market to go to the upside. Pre-market high is way higher, and it is around 300. Pre-market high is way higher, and it is around S3 is where this mark is pre-market high up here. So I went on long on S3, and now I'm just going to give it room to market, so to wiggle, to move, to go higher, do whatever it wants to do. And We have 20 more seconds to go. It looks heavily bullish. There you go. It's a little bit of let's see what's going on with Q's. SPY. Yeah, SPY is definitely the one that's pushing everyone. Yeah, of course. And then we have Q's. I need to be aware of the drastic change in the price direction. So far, I'm going to set this on 100. So here, and the stop for this two, let's see. 150 actually, and this one as well, 150. So I'm in profit and looking into 1% gain today. We will see. There is something that I do. I have a daily goal, right? And then I have a draw from the top. So for instance, I went to 900 profit now, right? If it goes back to 600, it's 30% of missing on profit. This is not acceptable. I will close my trade instantly. And so far we are at that point. And I forgot to do something. I should put a button here actually. There's a chance that market pulls back to yesterday's high and then drops back. But so far market is pushing, strongly pushing, and I'm following the price 150 cents with $1.50 of pullback. And S3 is active. I will react to this now in next 2 minutes. If it doesn't break to the upside, yeah, it's just ripping now at the moment. I'm gonna reduce my size 100, another 100, and 30 from here. So I booked another 400, which is 0.5% for 1 day. It's okay so far. Let me see what happened for today. Custom period today. Yeah, 400, and I'm already locked in profit for another 400 maybe. But I would really like to close all at max profit so it's ripping. There's gonna be a fallback, a pullback. And the SPY doesn't look like that it wants to shy away from moving to the upside. That's nice. So on Qs, we have the tail to the downside. You can see, let me blow it up. We have tail to the downside, and now we're gonna have the horn to the upside. So we're gonna have a broadening formation as we put it in words. That's nice. Yeah, so this is it, and I think I will be done in next what? Oh, if I didn't take any profit out, I'll be buying. If I was 1,000 shares in, 4,000 by non-profit, because I was at some 1,100 shares in. Market is strong. I mean, what can I say? I'm just gonna sit back and relax. And the more extended market it gets, the more drastic drop's gonna be. So I'm just going to chase it. When it becomes overextended, I chase it very, very closely. But when it's just growing slowly, I will give more wiggling room, because like exponential move to the constant move is really, it wiggles go up, but it goes up and it crashes. And for me, this so far so good, and there is no reason to just sit back. And I think I'm guaranteed in 70 in 30 cents and 23 cents, 23 points in 200 shares. There you go. Let's see if it's a SPY. Oh, look at this drop. Okay, SPY is pushing. I'm going to add actually. Once it blows HOT. There you go. Let's go. I'm going to be following this position very closely. I'm going to set already 45 cents of there you go. This is a breakup HOD. Yep. On Nvidia. So at some point I'm dealing with 70 cents of spread, and so it is 52, but this doesn't look good, to be frank. Especially from the point of view of there you go. There you go. This went in all the way to positive and put me on a 1% gain for today again. But I see no question asked break to the upside. But we'll see how powerful market is. Let's see how 1 minute looks like. I don't like this. So all in profit so far, and the 5 is out with $10 of gain. Jesus. No, I'm not excited about this move. If it becomes doji, I don't see a good continuation for this trend. No, I'm at 900, and I prefer to close my position right at the top. I'm at 900 at the moment. There you go. I'm closing everything at 1,000. I'm not happy about this, especially that Qs are dropping heavily. It could pull back, go to the upside, but I took what I wanted from the market, and for me that would be it. Yeah, how stressed I am. I don't feel anything. Heartbeat at 77, normal. Stress level green, so all is good. And that for me, that's for me, that's it. There's nothing else. This can continue to move to the upside, but you can see down there Qs are broken down, and you have this huge backup which fall back, which I guess that it could push the market back. You can see the hammer. If I was trading a SPY, I would already be shorting this, but because I'm not gonna touch it anyway. That's why I short hammers. Look at the anomaly on this thing up here. Look at the size. Look at the size of this candle. Look at the size of this candle. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. And then obviously depletion of the volume. So it's going up, back up. As I said, that it could have already made me more money, but I'm happy with what I take and with what I do. I had today big size. I had 1, 2, 3. I entered 3 times, 4 times, and twice of this market moved nicely. And that's about it for today. And all out. Yeah, take care. And that's about it. 10 minutes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 15 trading market. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to put some music on this today for sure. Yeah, I know it's boring. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye.